Hello everyone, this is Suganya, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of English, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadlur. Here in this video we will discuss about speech writing. Speech writing is the art of writing speech for public presentation. A written speech is very different from oral presentation, which uses audio-visual aids such as a PowerPoint or except from an audio text. Speech written for a formal occasion, when sometimes the text of the speech may also be distributed to the audience. Preparing and writing such speeches, following should be in mind: the type of audience, the place of meeting, the occasion for which the speech is needed, whether interaction with the audience is possible or desired, the nature of the subject or the topic. Speech writing has at least 4 stages. First one, planning, preparing, practicing, writing and revising. Speech writer should plan well before starting to write. He or she must collect the required information or data and organize the collected material in a required form. Preparing the speech, he must have an outline written and the information, various headings and subheadings. He should also collect related examples, illustrations and incident, supplement the main information and include the outline itself. Outline should be checked to make sure all the information is included. The next stage is the actual writing of the speech. While our writing care should be taken to a portion at the least 3 parts of the speech, namely introduction, body and conclusion. Introduction part should be made very attractive and arresting. It can be relevant story or an incident, quotation. The body will include entire information, data collecting organized in a logical and coherent manner. Each point should be present in the beginning of the section or subject. Explaining should follow. After presenting the entire data, the conclusion must be written. The introduction should say what the speaker is going to do through the speech. The body of the speech and conclusion should state what was spoken about through the speech. The conclusion may also suggest the solution and the future course of action. After writing the speech, it should be revised carefully. Unnecessary repetition, elaborations, and undue length can be avoided while revising. Summarize the main speech topics or main points. Connect your speech topics with the common ground and thought of the public speaking audience. This way to end a speech brings the overall speech topic in their hearts and minds. Thank you.